Philip Griffith with BSG Photo Solutions here. If you're using an external hard drive to store your photos and other important records, be aware that the average lifespan of a hard drive is only 3 to 5 years, and that's if there's not any physical damage to it. To ensure your device has a long life, here's some things you can do. 1, avoid dropping it. 2, store it in a dry place. Temperature and humidity can affect them. 3, protect it against power surges and fluctuation of voltage. 4, follow the steps to safely remove it from your laptop or computer. A lot of times people fail to actually eject it, as they just unplug it without ejecting it from the computer command bar. And 5, minimize the number of times you plug and unplug it to avoid wearing out the connections and therefore increasing the risk of damage. If your photos are not yet stored on an external hard drive, join us for Save Your Photos Month to learn what you can do to protect your photos. Sign up for free at saveyourphotos.org. And as always, put your comments and questions in the comments below, and I would be happy to help you start using your photos to tell your story so they will last for generations.